In today's video, I'm sharing with you exactly how to find winning products to drop ship on your store. And if you're new to selling things online, drop shipping is a profitable method for you to actually earn passive income online. But sometimes a lot of people don't want to use drop shipping because of the long shipping times. Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly how to get quick shipping times with Spocket and actually how to find winning products to make some income. I'm sure they're all with you coming up next. So welcome back to my video, my friends. You're new here. My name is Jay, and on this channel, I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teaching you exactly how to create your own products online. And special shout out to Spocket, who is sponsoring today's video, and they were even so kind to give one of my viewers a full subscription for free to use Spocket. Only thing you have to do is type in drop shipping in the comment section below, and we will pick a winner. Now, again, what hinders a lot of people from actually creating a drop shipping store is the terrible long times from shipping products to China. But what's pretty cool about using Spock is that everything they're talking about in regards to a physical product is actually based in the US. And so we're talking about shipping times from 1 to 3 days. This is where you're able to scale your business because you're able to get a business that actually get products to your customers quickly as possible. All right, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you log into Spocket. Again, I'll make sure I leave that link in my description box below. I just want to give you an overview of how to use Spocket to actually get the maximum potential of getting products sold online. So as you log in, you're able to see all this helpful information. Like on the left-hand side, you're able to search for products, get some things from AliExpress, import products, find the products that you save to your overall product list, and actually the orders that's coming in, as well as any messages you may have. And you were able to actually integrate your overall shop. Now, this is huge again, because one of the main platforms I use to actually drop ship products is with Wix. And so if you're not huge on Shopify, don't worry about it because they have other places for you to connect with your store, either be Squarespace, either be with Wix. Again, you can do things with Shopify. But this is where you're able to connect your store to Spocket. So everything imported from Spocket can be right over to your personal shop. Now, what's pretty cool about Spock is that they give you this little section here to actually enter a keyword or a key category that you know you want to sell in. And so if you know that you want to focus on a particular niche, either be cooking, or it might be clothing, or it might be animals or pets, yes, they give you all these major categories here, but you are able to go a little bit further into every category to search up a particular product you are looking for. And this is huge when we talk about trying to identify winning products, because you want to make sure that whatever product you want to target is actually on Spocket. And Spocket has thousands of products for you to search up. And what's pretty cool about using Spocket is that I love how the shipping times are so low. Things that people talk about as a con to drop shipping is that when you're drop shipping, usually you have long extended shipping times because most people who do drop ship products from China. And so you have a long time to actually get that product to your customer. Sometimes things go past 20 days. But what's pretty cool about Spocket is that you are able to get things shipped in the US from the US. And so we're talking about products that have shipping times as low as 4 to 7 days, 1 to 3 days. And we're talking about fast shipping times. That can be a huge benefit if you want to create a drop shipping store. Now, what's pretty cool about drop shipping as opposed to things like Fulfilled by Amazon is that usually if you're trying to do private labeling, you have to spend all of this money to buy a huge inventory, like in our case, a digital smartwatch. That means it's going to cost you some thousands of dollars to actually get all of these products in your home, in your garage, or maybe in your warehouse. But what's pretty cool about drop shipping is that you don't have to hold any inventory. What happens is that when someone comes to your shop online, they are able to purchase this particular watch at a retail price of $22. And when your customer purchases this for $22, Spocket will actually order this for you and ship it out to your customer, and you get to earn whatever profit there is left. So Spocket gives you the name of the product, give you a couple photos to actually use, as well as a detailed description of your product that can actually be imported. So one of the things I tell people is to make sure you order some samples, because you're able to take your own product photos, and what helps with conversions is that you are actually able to show how to use that product before your customer buys it. Again, it's all about giving clarity to the customer so they can have confidence to check out with you. And all of this can actually be done in Spocket. I can order some samples here, get some shipped to my house, and actually start creating my own photos, even my own videos to use on my ads or even on my own personal store. And I'm able to give more clarity to my customer. So what's pretty cool about Spocket is that I can add this product to my import list, and it would take me over to my product name, any other product tags I want to have here. If I want to add this to my collection, any images I want to add. But what's pretty cool is that once I get done with all this detail here, I can push this over to my store once it is connected, and everything will be uploaded there. This saves a ton of time when you are trying to create a product store that is able to generate for you revenue. So as you can see here, I could do multiple products if I want to have a multiple product store. But again, this helps you cut down the time in regards to getting all of your descriptions right. Of course, you don't want to leave this here. You want to get a description that talks to the customer regarding your product. Again, it's all about giving clarity. If you have any variations with colors or price, all that can be changed right here. Again, if you do want to add shipping or you want to change the shipping price, if there is shipping attached to that, all of this can be done right here as well. And again, once you get done with this, it shows you your sales price and the actual profit you will gain by this. So if I want to change my sales price to increase my profit price, I can do all of this in Spocket to actually identify what my profit is going to be at the end. And once I get everything done, I can push this to my store and all of it will be there for me to use. Now, one of the methods you can use to identify if a product is actually going to sell is to jump into two things, what I call influencer marketing as well as Amazon marketing. You're able to see what products are getting popular in the Amazon search results, like what things are coming up first, how many reviews the product has. You are actually able to check out major influencer platforms like YouTube to see what products are being reviewed and which ones has the most views on them. I'm gonna share with you exactly how to do those two things to find winning products and how to identify those products in Spocket. So the first place we want to do is head over to Amazon, and we want to check and see if there are any smartwatches that are actually selling at a good price. So we can go in here and actually see what comes up. We see smartwatches for women, so we know that's a great thing to target if we're trying to find things to sell. And so we see all of these smartwatches here, but I want to go a little bit further down and see if there's anything related to any of the products found on Spocket. All right, so I see that there's a smartwatch that's not anything branded like Apple or Samsung. However, this smartwatch has over 25,000 reviews, and it seems to be something that can be also found on Spocket. So this is what I'm talking about, right? You want to be able to find a product that is proven to get sales on major platforms like Amazon, and you want to go in here and see what people are saying about this product, because your goal is to actually extract those key components of what people are saying regarding this product and actually put this in your store as well as later on in your ads. Again, you don't want to create all of this from scratch. You want to go here and actually find what people are saying about this product, what is good about it, how are they able to identify the value of it. And so you want to add all of these valuable things, what you get from the description, what you get from the title, even with the price, as well as with their images and actually how they market this product to their customer. What is also helpful when you are creating this dropshipping store, and again, all this stuff is going to be helpful when you do your ads, is actually go in here and actually check out the reviews. Check out what people are saying about this product and how you are able to extract those valuable points and put them on your images as well as your content description for your drop shipping product. So one of the next things you want to do is actually go into YouTube, and this is what I call the influencer strategy with the influencer marketing. You want to go in here and actually search up your particular niche in your particular category. For instance, my category is tech, and the particular product that I'm going to do research on is a smartwatch. Now, obviously, again, I don't want to target any videos that are more so covering branded products like Apple or Samsung. However, I want to prove if there is a market for generic smartwatches that I can actually spend time on and investigating what products sell well or what type of style. I want to go back in Spocket and identify if there are any products that are related to the ones I found. So this type of research can be done with influencer marketing, just not with YouTube, but you can go as far as do things with Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. But for today's video, I'm just going to share with you how to do this with YouTube. So again, I'm going up in the search bar, I'm searching up my particular category and my particular product, and I want to see the search results. And two things I'm looking for: I want to see how many views a product is getting, and I want to actually go in there and actually see what people are saying regarding that product. Again, I don't want to target anything that's branded like Apple or Samsung. I want to see if there's a market for a generic smartwatch product. So as I see here, this particular YouTuber in the last 11 months has 1.1 million views. It says best smartwatches, all budget tested and reviewed. So I can know that some of them might be branded products, but some of them may not be branded, just might be generic products. I see in this top one here, it has 755,000 views, just dropped in the last 9 months, and it goes over top 6 smartwatches. Again, some of these things might be related to branded products, some of them may not be. This is just the research you have to do. But one of the things I want to go here and actually find out if there's any generic smartwatches I can actually target. So one of the videos I put up is from a tech review company, CNET, and they have a video talking about the best Apple Watch alternatives under $100. So I know anything in this video is going to be a non-branded product like Apple, because obviously it is alternative. So this is a great video for me to go in here and actually see, okay, what styles people are more inclined to purchase and what are some features that people are more inclined to purchase, so I can actually find products that have those things in Spocket. So I see this video just dropped a year ago with over 200,000 views, and I'm going to click on it and see actually what people are saying regarding these products. So this particular video has over 3,000 likes. And again, I want to go down here and actually look and see what people are saying and commenting regarding these products. I can play the video and actually learn some more things about it, but I want to spend time in what people are actually saying. Again, all these people that are leaving comments are actually potential people who will buy your product. So you want to make sure you align your product with what people are looking for. Again, all of this is the product marketing you need to do in regards to the influencer method. Again, the influencer has done all the work for you. They spend time reviewing these products, getting these products in hand, with crafting the video, getting the video seen by thousands of people, and able to create a conversation regarding that product where you are able to learn from and actually extract some major points people are saying in regards to this. So once I extract all this information, I want to go back over to Spocket and actually see if there is anything related to all of my research I have done so far. So what's pretty cool about Spocket, again, I can search up in the search bar smartwatches, and I can actually see what products are related to Spocket. Again, anything on this page I can actually import to my personal store and actually use it as a drop shipping item. Again, I don't have to buy anything in bulk, but I can use all of that content strategy I just taught you to actually promote products that are proven to get positive interaction, just not on YouTube, but also on Amazon. You can actually scroll down and go and find a product that is related to all of your market research. But once you actually find a product, you can actually import this over to your personal store. And again, it shares with you the overall sales price as well as the retail price. So again, if you want to get that particular price down, you can go back into the smartwatch searches on Spocket and try to find one that's a little bit lower in price. But one of the things that you do want to spend time on, because you have a tech related product, is actually go in here and find the main features. These main features is what's going to help you when you actually push ads to your product, because you are able to bring out the features of your product in your image as well as in your video, if you choose to do that. That can really be a great conversion point when you are talking about your product. This product is actually free shipping, and again, with 8 to 14 business days, that's still pretty good when you talk about a product that you're drop shipping. That is huge in regards to shipping times. Again, I can import this over to my store. I can even order a sample and do my own videos. I can actually grab some great visuals here and add them to my product listing page. But again, this is huge when you're talking about creating an online store that's selling physical products. This is huge because, again, you don't have to hold any inventory, but I love the outlay of Spocket where you're able to get all of this information, able to see the sales price, import this over into your Wix or Shopify store, order any samples you need to have here, and make any changes to the description right here in Spocket, and everything can be ready to go when you get to your online store. So as you can see, drop shipping is actually a profitable way to make income online passively. And what's so huge about using Spocket is not only is the platform easy to use, but when you are able to get things shipped out between 1 to 3 to 5 business days, that's where this is a huge game changer, because you are able to actually get satisfied customers that can actually be repeated customers to your online store. Now, if you want to learn more about Spocket, again, I left everything in my description box below for you to check out the website on your own. That is the end of today's video, my friends. That was in way helpful or encouraging. Let me know by hitting a like down below. Also, if you want to check out more about how to use Spocket, then check out my link in my description box below. Now, if you want to learn how to actually create more passive income online, then check out my other videos here. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.